Hi students, this is M. Shankar Rao of GTWAH School Yatagani Valsa, Vijayanagaram. Working as a functional English and life skill trainer, we are from Naipunya Vikasam project by APSSTC and SchoolNet India Limited. Today we are going to deal with a topic from life skills, 24th activity of 5th class content. Dear students, we will start this lesson with a small story by which you can understand properly. Listen carefully and understand the situations in the story. The Lion and the Rabbit. Once there was a lion in the jungle who used to kill 2 or 3 animals daily for his meal. All animals went to him to tell that daily one of them will come to him for his meal. So the lion agreed and they started going for many days. One day it was Rabbit's turn. When he was on his way, he saw a well. Now he plans to kill the lion and save himself. He went to the lion and told him that there is another lion who claims to be more powerful than him. The lion asks the rabbit to take him to that lion. The rabbit takes him to the well and said, "He lives here." When he looked in the well, he saw his own reflection and jumped in the well and dies. Dear students, in this story, the rabbit had a problem of death, but it thinks in a different way. So, in addition to save himself, he killed the lion, which was enormous because of its creative thinking. The rabbit is too small to kill the lion. Only the creative thinking makes him do so. So, dear children, if you think differently, you can easily solve the problem, whatever it may be. And in order to understand very clear, I will tell you one more story. Please listen carefully and understand the situation. A thirsty crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow flew all over the fields looking for water. For a long time, he could not find any water. He felt very weak, almost lost all hope. Suddenly, he saw a water jug below the tree. He flew straight down to see if there was any water inside. Yes, he could see some water inside the jug. The crow tried to push his head into the jug. Sadly, he found that the neck of the jug was too narrow. Then he tried to push the jug to tilt for the water to flow out, but the jug was too heavy. The crow thought hard for a while. When looking around it, he saw some pebbles. He suddenly had a good idea. He started picking up the pebbles one by one, dropping each into the jug. As more and more pebbles filled the jug, the water level kept rising. Soon it was high enough for the crow to drink. His plan had worked. See, children, in this story, the crow had a problem of thirsty. On seeing the jug, in which the water could not reach the beak of the crow, it leaves, but it thought creatively, so it could drink the water in the jug. So, in that way, if you think differently, you can do anything. If you think in a general way, you can't do anything. So, now coming to the definition of creative thinking. What is meant by creative thinking? It is thinking in a different way, thinking newly or innovative. When we want to solve our problems in a smart way or find the new things to make, we have to think differently, not general. If you want to know how it can be improved and how to think in a different way, definitely we go through some inspirational stories. Do you know who she was? She was meet Remya Jose, inventor of washing cum exercise machine that won her a national award. During her 10th class standard, her mother fell ill and mother was undergoing medical treatment. Remy had to change three buses while going to and coming from school and spend about 2 hours each way. As there was no washing machine at home, the chore of doing laundry fell to her and her twin sister. So instead of just washing fil- futilely for a washing machine, she decides to try her hand at making one. During the vacation, she created a basic model of a machine, a homemade pedal powered one which also saves electricity bill. It is a bit noisy but serves the dual purpose of washing clothes and a good exercise machine to keep you fit. She was 14 years old when she invented this machine. It won her national award. So, my dear students, you are the people to think in that way and you will become a great person as we can see the great personality of the world, who is none other than Bill Gates. He is an American business magnate, software developer, inventor, and philanthropist. He is one of the richest person in the world and known as the founder of Microsoft Corporation. These stories encourage us to think differently from the given norms. These stories are inspiring and these change makers are innovators and change achievers encourage us to think creatively and think differently from the given norms. So, if we can remake the things with low cost material and get high quality and multi uses of things we made, get us name and fame, and we are treated as great personalities in the society. A great people arise from the common society because of their willpower and creative thinking, like Bill Gates. We can make things using n number of things which are kept aside useless. For example, using waste paper for making paper boats, paper kite, and paper flowers, etc., is the creativity of the school children. Another example, using four-wheeler vehicle tube for swimming and fishing is the creativity of fisherman. Making furniture with bamboo sticks is the creativity of carpenter. And one more example, balloon decoration is the creativity of balloon decorator. So, dear students, you have your own talent or creativity to make the things in a different way. Think and think, try it again and again. You will definitely do something differently from others. People having creative thinking can lead an excellent life. They can easily handle the situation in their daily activities. They never get tension under any circumstances. So, improve your creativity by the inspiration of the great people. lead a wonderful and a beautiful life. Be helpful for the society. Have a nice day, and thank you very much for watching our video.